During the Asian session, there was a surge in traders' activity amid growing optimism about the US-China deal. US stock indexes broke historical records again. The US dollar index, which tracks the greenback's dynamics against a basket of 6 world currencies, rose by 0.09% to 98.35 in the Asia-Pacific trade. The US Treasury yields also climbed, offsetting yesterday's losses. At the same time, the yield curve inversion still signals about a possible recession. What's more, the 2-year note auction drew a higher yield than the 5-year bond auction. Trade-related optimism and risk appetite are firm against the backdrop of the prospects for a trade agreement between the United States and China. Besides, China's Ministry of Commerce confirmed that the two sides reached a consensus on resolving relevant issues during telephone talks on Tuesday. The dollar-yen pair continues to grow for the 6th consecutive session. In the Asian session, the pair attempted to advance to 2-week highs at 109.19. However, judging by the pair's dynamics, it's quite unfavorable to open long positions. It's better to take a wait-and-see approach and monitor changes in market sentiment. The Australian dollar is the main outsider among the G10 currencies. It edged lower amid weak data on Australia's construction sector and a probable key rate cut by the Reserve Bank of Australia next year. Yesterday, RBA Governor Philip Lowe hinted that next year the regulator would cut the interest rate twice and start a quantitative easing program. The AUD-USD pair sank to its low around 0.6775. From this level, the pair is likely to trade sideways. The economic calendar for the European session lacks any important releases. Germany's Die Statis is scheduled to unveil import prices for October. The Economic Sentiment Index from Switzerland is also due. The New York session, on the contrary, is going to be quite brisk. The United States will publish data on durable goods orders, core PCE price index, jobless claims, as well as personal income and spending figures. A little later, traders will take notice of the reports on pending home sales, oil inventories from the Department of Energy, and the economic review of the Federal Reserve Budget Book. Despite a flow of macroeconomic reports from the United States, market participants pay more attention to the news on the trade relations between the world's two leading economies. You were watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.